Evening, little update. It's time to make more of these guys. I also had a customer who said they had Honda XR70 forks and wheels, and they just needed me to make them a tree. So, well, I'm done. Hee hee hee. Ain't I clever? I still have to make these brakes and then clear out the rest of this bench. Get the bench gone. Get the lift and everything scheduled over there next to the bench. Get the rest of the dirt bikes into the laboratory on the shelf, and then cover it up so that I can't look at it. Anyways, that's a real quickie. Thought you guys might be interested in that. I drove my stretch bike to the post office today, and it was fun. These forks are absolutely amazing. And what I'm going to do to stop making these dang adapters here is I need to get 200 millimeter rotors to fit on your wheels. So if you guys can save me the headache, buy 200 millimeter rotors. Royce Ramirez figured it out playing around with his fork set tonight. Thank you, Royce. You're the best. I haven't met too many humans like you. Definitely one of the best friends I've had. You definitely redefined what I thought a friend was. So thank you. That's the case on that story. So if you can get a 200 millimeter rotor, make it fit, do it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to buy some and then cut them myself, and that's a lot more work, and that means it's going to take longer to get your forks. So keep building skills, like I always tell everybody. Build skills. I'll help you build the coolest thing in the entire world if you'll put in the labor. Anyways, I got to go. I got stuff to do.